Welcome back to the Academy. In this lesson we're going to be walking you through how to prepare your course or program for publish. We're going to make sure that all the lessons and the modules are ready to be published so that your course and program can go live to your clients. So in the courses dashboard, click on the menu icon and click edit. Check that all the lessons that you want published in each module are published. To do this, just click on each menu icon on each module just to scroll down and make sure that all of the lessons that you want published are actually published. If you find that one lesson isn't published and it should be, click on the edit icon, go into the lesson and make sure it's published. Click save and that will take you back out so that you can view the lessons and ensure they're all published. This is a good exercise before we publish our course to ensure that all lessons are either published or scheduled to be published at the date of our choosing. Once you're happy that all lessons are published, we can now go back to the course and make sure that all the modules that you want published are published, just the same way as we did with the lessons. So you can see here that I've got module 6 that is in draft mode. If we go into that, we can either choose to publish it at a later date or click save to publish it immediately. I'm going to go ahead and do this for the final module. Click publish so that all of the modules in my course are now published, and each of the lessons within each module are also published. This means that everything in this particular example will be viewable to my clients and accessible to them. Now we've got all of our modules and lessons published, the last thing to do is to publish our actual course. Again, you don't have to have all of your lessons and modules published in order to publish your course. You can publish the course straight away. You can add modules and lessons later on. For simplicity of this example, I've published everything at the same time. To publish your course, simply click on Published, select the date that you want it to be published on, or select Right Now. Click Save and your course will be published, which means we can now prepare this to be purchased by your clients. To view the course, simply click View Course and you're going to see all of your modules in your course here. You can check all the lessons by clicking on the module. If we click on a lesson and go into the lesson, you'll see the video here and you'll also see all of the other videos in that particular module. Check that you're happy with the layout and all of the key notes for each lesson, and your course or your program is now ready to be accessed by your clients. In the next lesson, I'm going to be showing you how we use the products feature to package up your products and programs to go and sell to your prospects and clients. So I'll see you then.